hello. A special trip today. I'm celebrating my first year on YouTube. So for this I came to a new place. It's called Stevens Gulch, and it's a conservation area. Today is the first real day of spring. 15 degrees today and sunny, but because of the tough winter we had, the snow is still present in the forested areas and some of it on the fields, but the place looks beautiful, so come with me. On YouTube, I learned few things that if you go out, things are gonna happen. I always love going out in nature, and what I've noticed, every time I go, nature is offering something interesting. I'll give you an example. This morning I flew my drone over top of a frozen lake, and unbeknownst to me, there were these swans performing the mating ritual, and I managed to film it from my drone. So you're gonna enjoy the footage after at the end of this video. I have 21,000 views on my video so far. I wanted to thank you for your support, for watching the videos, for leaving a comment, and it's much appreciated. So until next time, I will say, don't forget to take a hike, be well and healthy, go out in nature, and see you next time. Gelone out.